Here at the Geelong Physical Therapy Centre, our team all have the same focus. We want to see you get pain-free, active and back in control of your health and well-being. To do this, we have to acknowledge that there's a gap between where most treatments end and where exercise and training begin. Now we know that this is true because we come across so many people who have developed pain and they go and get treatment and they get pain relief, and then a few weeks or maybe a few months later, they're back in pain again. And they just start going through the cycle of getting treatment, getting pain relief, and they're better for a while, and then their pain develops again. Now the great news here is that we can change pain, we can get that pain relief, but they're no better prepared to handle what life throws at them. So when we look at the research on manual therapy, we can see that we can create pretty powerful changes in pain, but we also see that those effects are only temporary. So we have to ask ourselves, what's changed? A good analogy to answer this question is to look at what happens with surgery. So best practice with surgery is you have some form of pain relief. You take an anesthetic and then you go and have surgery. So you have something that changes the pain, and then something happens that changes the structure, that changes you physically. Now if we compare this back to physical therapy, the hands-on work, the massage, the joint mobilization, the joint manipulation, dry needling, and all these sorts of therapies are ways of changing pain. They're symptom relief. But they don't change the structure, they don't change you physically. What we know changes you is exercise and activity, and that's where we need to have something more. We need to have something bigger in our treatment plans that create those changes in you. Without that change, we see that there's still a gap between pain and performance, and one of our goals here is to really help you bridge that gap. We work with you to create a plan that will build you up so that you can feel confident and feel in control to continue your journey into exercise and activity and really work towards a life that inspires you. That's our ultimate goal here, is to get you living the life that you want to live.